I needed adjustable control arms. Look at these tires pattern. It's really wore out right here on the inside, not much in the outside. So I felt like I was losing a lot of traction because of that. So the way you adjust these control arms is simple. You have two lug nuts on the very outside of it, and the outside part, it also extends. So you want to get it where it's close to where you want it before you install it, if you have to extend it more. But once it's installed, then you have the middle one, and that's the one that you want to use to make your adjustment, and I'll show you in the car. Okay, so here we can see close to -1 of camber. So the nut that I'm gonna be turning is the middle one. The lug nuts cannot be locked or you're not gonna be able to turn it, so make sure the lug nuts are loose, and if they are, then we're gonna use the middle one until I want my camber to be at 0. I don't want no negative camber. So let's see.